Hey YouTube, it's me again. Basically trying to get some opinions on my voice. So you guys just let me know what you think. Never done this before, like I told you in the last video. So just give me some comments on what you guys, what it is that I need to do. If I have any talent, if I have anything, just let me know. You know, please be nice. Once again, I'm gonna sing His Eyes Is on a Sparrow. I sing because I'm happy, and I sing because I'm free. His eyes are on the sparrow, and I know He watches over me. Oh, and I sing because I'm happy. Oh, His eyes are the sparrow, and I know He watches. Oh,